y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's countdown to Christmas video, me and my girl Cassandra, you guys, she's becoming a regular. We are going to be attempting holiday pins from Pinterest today. We scoured Pinterest for, I'm not gonna lie, what, a couple of days?
Yeah.
It was serious to find 3 things that we really wanted to test out for you guys. So neither one of us has tried these pins out prior to today, so nobody has any experience with them. We really wanted to try them authentically for the first time on camera. So if you guys, there's Emma, she decided to grace us with her presence. If you guys want to see us attempt these holiday pins, then let's just go ahead and get started.
So
you were like, okay, you guys, so the first thing that we are going to attempt to make today is Christmas tree brownies. Now, I will go ahead and tell you that all the pins that I'm trying to follow are going to be linked down below, so if you yourself feel the need to try and attempt these pins, then you can check there. So obviously, we're going to need brownie mix, so this is the kind I have. You're just going to make the brownies according to the back of the box, so that's what we're going to do really quickly. Guys, so now that our Christmas tree brownies are all cool and ready to be decorated, that's what we're gonna do now. So we have the brownies that we made on a plate, and it's funny because we found out from the recipe, because we actually didn't read the directions, we just went with it, that she cut hers just in triangles, and we used a cookie cutter, but ours are better, so we're gonna move along. So we have our brownies, and we're going to use cream cheese icing to kind of decorate them, like make, I guess, like the strands of lights. We're going to color that icing ourselves, and then we're going to use M&Ms and sprinkles as the decorations. And then in the picture, which I guess really doesn't count for ours because technically ours has stumps on them because the cookie cutter had it, but they shove little tiny candy canes like in them, almost like a lollipop. So that's what we're going to do. So yeah. You're filthy. I believe this. This is good. Okay, guys, so for this next pin, we are going to be turning Cassandra's front door into a snowman. So to start off, you are going to need black and orange construction paper. We have little things that we're measuring, so we're going to use the bowl for the eyes and like this cup for the buttons, obviously just to kind of like make it to the size of the door, if that makes sense. You're going to need tape, scissors, and then we bought festive ribbon for like the snowman scarf. So what we're going to do right now is cut out the eyes, the buttons, and the nose, obviously, and then we'll attempt to assemble it on the door. Okay, you guys, so there's that pin. That is the cutest thing ever, and it was so cheap because I already had the construction paper and we got the ribbon at the dollar store, and it's adorable. That's the cutest thing I've ever freaking seen.
It's great. I love it.
I'm giving this one a big thumbs up. I love it.
And it was easy. We are not artistic.
No, we are not artistic at all. That was so easy. Okay, you guys, so it is the night before. I'm not exactly sure how you're gonna see this footage put into everything, but we are making the salt dough ornaments tonight because it says on the recipe like it's better if you let them sit for a while after they've been out the oven. I guess they're like fully hardened and have like no moisture in them before you start to like paint them or do anything. So that's what we are doing now. You're going to need for this recipe 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1.5 cups of water. We're just gonna mix it all together in a big mixing bowl. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to do this really quickly. I'm sure you've all probably at some point in your life made something like this. It's fairly easy. Is 1.5 cups of warm water. That we have the ornaments all dried up and hardened from last night. So we did them last night like you saw, and we let them sit out overnight. We have little shapes and we are going to paint them now. So we bought some cheapo, I'm talking like 50-cent acrylic paint from Walmart. You do want to make sure that it's acrylic paint. That's what it says. We have glitter because obviously glitter is important and fun. We have little sponges, little cheapo sponges to paint them with. And we have quite a different bunches of ribbons. We're gonna paint them and decorate them and put glitter on them and everything like we want to, and then we will let them dry before you string the ribbon through it. So I don't even know what we're doing with this, but we have it. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope these turn out good. Everybody, if you're watching this and you receive a salt dough ornament, you better act really surprised. That's all I'm saying.
And grateful.
And grateful, because we needed dough for what felt like hours last night. That's all I'm saying.
Minimum of 10 minutes. A piece.
And we did make 2 batches, so. Now that we finished all 3 of the pins, as a unit, we liked the snowman door the best. It was the easiest to do, and I think it turned out absolutely freaking adorable. I am truly a little bit salty that we didn't do it at my house, so now I don't have a snowman door. But what can I say? My door's also red, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Second would be the salt dough ornaments. I really thought they turned out nice. They do take a lot of prep work, but I think at the end it's worth it as long as you give yourself enough days before like your gift giving to do it. And then lastly, the Christmas tree brownies. They look better once they were decorated. I do think we played ourselves by using the cookie cutters instead of just like cutting them in triangles, but what can we say? We didn't read the directions, so oh well. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing these. I thought they were really fun. Nothing was too difficult. The brownies did take a while though. They probably had like some of the most work.
Yeah, but they weren't hard. They were just annoying.
Yeah, I agree. I would never do that again. Even if I just cut them in triangles, I'd just be like, I'd rather just eat plain brownies.
The salt dough ornaments were worth the extra work because you get to use them year after year after year.
I agree. Anyways, you guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Do not forget that if you would like to try out any of these pins, I will have them linked down below for you. Thank you, buddy, for being on my channel again. You've been a big help during this series.
Of course, anytime.
And yeah, you guys, if you did like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!